Hey everyone, Barry Johnson of Keysight Technologies. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to further expand our bot by learning more functions in Python. So with that, remember, the symbol keys is always in this piece. On the last tutorial, we created a prompt where we entered a word, it ended, and we know that's not how chats work. So let's start the process of making a perpetual prompt. So the first thing I want us to learn is the concept of an if statement. Then we're going to go over the for loop. So with that, let's start. So I'm going to write an if statement. So the if statement will be if chat is upper equals true. And we're going to select this one here, right? With the colon at the end. Then we're going to print. So our bot will say, if all caps are upper, we're going to say all right. So let's just test this out. So if I run this, benign statement again, and we see I get one more time and you are hidden from the channel. All right. So we could also do if so if I hit play and I type in ban this time, I should get a true for this ban, but I then should see that now we are banned from the channel. Okay, so that's still one time. All right, so that's a simple if statement. So the reason why I'm showing this if statement, I'm showing it in a very basic way, is because we're going to expand on this further. We're going to add if statements, so conditional statements that basically say, if this happens, do this. If this happens, do this. And we can do like basically if it's not equal to one of these if statements, do something else. So there's a lot of things that we can do with its if statements. But we also can add a for loop. So let's do this. So I'm going to comment out some of this stuff as to not confuse us. Let's get rid of this. We'll keep chat input. Let's do this. Let's copy all this because this was working nice. Hit Control X to copy it and get rid of it. And then let's go for I in range. And let's just do it right now. We'll do it 5 times. All right. And then each time we're going to print that and look, since it's a for statement, and we'll go over this detail. Look how I'm indenting this stuff now. So it's going to execute for 5 times in a row. I got to type in I is equal to 0. All right. So now if I type in ban, so you're banned from the channel, I can type it again. So let's say this is a different user, ban. Let's type in one more capital, one more capital. Let's do ban. And now we've exited. So we can see we can actually have this perpetual use of a prompt. Now, On the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to line this stuff up to make it look more like a chat, and we'll add more things like arrays. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of words that can be banned lists. So we can create a list or an array. And incidentally, I will create separate videos to go into more detail on the for loop and the if statements, and I'll have them in the description. They won't be published to YouTube in the normal sense, but they'll be available. So this indeed was multiple tutorials in one. So as always, I'll see you soon.